The Philippines and Sweden have signed a major agreement for the acquisition of Saab Gripen fighter jets. This purchase is the realization of Manila's program for a modern multi-role fighter aircraft, MRF, that is envisioned for the Philippine Air Force, PAF. The agreement, entitled Implementation Agreement Regarding the Acquisition of Defense Material and Equipment, was signed by the two countries on May 17. This was revealed by the Swedish Embassy in Manila on its official Facebook page. A photo accompanying the announcement shows Swedish Defense Equipment Export Chief Joachim Wallin and Philippine Assistant Secretary for Logistics, Acquisition and Self-Defense Posture of the Department of National Defense Joselito Ramos, presiding over the signing. Logistics cooperation is part of the commitment of the two countries based on the Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, regarding cooperation in the procurement of defense materials, which was signed by the two countries on June 3, 2023. Which was ratified on the same day by Sweden and the Philippines on September 4, 2023, wrote the embassy. Big Sweden refers to the Memorandum of Understanding signed on the sidelines of the Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore last year. According to a separate statement from the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration, the Philippines has expressed great interest in Swedish systems, including fighters, command systems and airborne early warning aircraft. We are now taking concrete and important steps in cooperation with the Philippines. The door is now open for Swedish defense companies to participate in Philippine defense procurement, Wallin said. The signing comes ahead of Swedish Defense Minister Pal Johnson's visit to Malaysia next week, as part of a week of meetings between the three countries in the Asia-Pacific. The Philippines was close to completing an agreement with Sweden to acquire a squadron consisting of 12 to 14 Saab Gripen C/D multi-role fighter jets worth $1.2 billion United States dollars. This was stated by Philippine Defense spokesperson Arsenio Andalong on February 16, 2024. Andalong said representatives from the Philippines and Sweden held a series of meetings to finalize an agreement to acquire materials and equipment to improve military capabilities. The fighter to be acquired is new and will leave Saab's production line in Linköping in Sweden before the factory focuses on production of the new Gripen E. Andalong added that the two parties are expected to sign an aircraft purchase agreement next month in Sweden. Logistics cooperation is part of the commitment of the two countries based on the Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, regarding cooperation in the acquisition of defense equipment, which was signed last year. Stockholm has long offered the Saab Gripen to the PAF in the final assessment. The Gripen competed closely with the F-16 Viper from Lockheed Martin, United States.